Hey lipstick besties, this is Victoria Lowe. I'm back with another video. Today I am showing you guys how to make these color changing lip glosses. I am so excited. The first one goes by the name of Belize. She's like a black lip gloss, but then she turns pink on your lips according to your pH. So it's like a little customized color for you. Isn't that cool? And then the next one is Tahiti. She starts off peach, but then she goes into this more intense pink lip gloss. And then once you wipe it off, then she's going to leave this really intense, vibrant pink lip stain that lasts literally all day. Stay tuned.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick man.
Mix it.
Lipstick man.
Mix it.
Lipstick man.
Mix it.
Let's mix it up.
Mix it.
Lipstick man.
Mix it.
Lipstick man.
Mix it.
Lipstick man. Let's mix it up.
Alright guys, so the first color that I'm going to be starting off with is Belize, and for the full recipe to both of today's glosses, it will be on my Patreon. For a small pledge of $5 per month, you'll have access to all of my recipes and all of my future recipes. So I just want to send a special shout out to my current patrons and a welcome to my new patrons. I appreciate you guys so much. It really does help keep the channel growing and glowing. Okay, and the first thing I'm going to be adding to my bowl is the Versagel. This particular batch is a medium-sized batch. It makes about 8 to 10 bottles, so I'm going to be making a bigger batch than usual today. So yes, I'm just adding my Versagel right into that bowl. And next I'm going to be adding the Presto Change-o Magic Lip Color Liquid. I waited so long to get my hands on this and I finally did. I got it from TKB. And then right after that, I'm going in with some Hydrogenated Polyisobutene. And what this is going to do is just thin out our lip gloss and just correct the texture, because as you guys know, Versagel is very thick. So I'm just going in and thinning out the Versagel while at the same time mixing in my Presto Change-o, and you'll periodically see me adding in a little more Hydrogenated Polyisobutene. And if you don't want to use Hydrogenated Polyisobutene, you can easily opt out for a grapeseed oil or another oil of your choice. Either one will do. I just chose Hydrogenated Polyisobutene for those who have allergies and are sensitive to certain oils. But you can most definitely add oils as a substitute for this. Alright, so now I'm going to add in some mica. I really wanted it to really give color change, and so I chose a color that was totally different from pink. So I went in with this beautiful black Steelworks mica, which I got from Nurture Soap, and I'm just going in and I'm mixing that in really well. And then you guys are going to see me do a swatch on my hand. I wanted to really show like how instantly once it hits my hand and gets in contact with my pH, it turns into this beautiful pink lip stain. Oh my gosh, you guys, I'm so excited about that because it's like a custom color specifically for you, and it goes according to your pH. And I thought that that was the coolest thing. So here I am just bottling her up, and I'm going to move right on to Tahiti. Now Tahiti is just a peach lip gloss, and it turns into this intense pink lip gloss, and it also leaves an intense stain. I didn't add a mica to her, and Tahiti, to be honest with you guys, was just me being extra. I wanted to see if this color changing lip gloss, or if this color changing Presto Change-o lip liquid would give me an intense pink. The color that I demonstrated before was more of a mild pink, but I wanted to make this one a little more intense. So you'll see that I'll be definitely adding more of a load with the magic lip liquid on this specific color. But yes, you do not need a lot. A little definitely goes a long way. I mean, I honestly think if I would have put a drop in here, that it would have made all of the difference, and you still would have been able to see the color change. But here I am just being extra, just because I'm just going to add a whole lot of it to the bowl, and I'm going to mix that in and see what happens. And then I'm going to do a side-by-side swatch, of course, to show you guys, you know, how the intensity varies from one lip gloss to the next.
About this girl, maybe I should. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brian. See, we be making love constantly. That's why my eyes are a shade bloodburn. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing. Won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe. I guess high up your love, I don't know how to be your brown sugar. I want some of your brown sugar.
So right here we got our swatch of Belize. She has been sitting for a while. And now I'm going to go ahead and swatch Tahiti. And out the gate, Tahiti is already turning. She is turning and is giving intense. And I just love how they differ. Like the first one it has kind of like a mauve undertone to it. And I really like that because I could put a liner with that as far as the stain goes. And that can really be a look. And then the second one is given like a more intense pink as expected because of how much magic Presto Change-o we've added to that particular batch. And that is a really like deep stain. So here I am about to try both on. I'm going to try Belize on one side, and then I'm going to do Tahiti on one side. So this is the black one. It goes on as like a sheer color. You can't really see the black. It's changing already, and as you can see, it is just giving my lips like this natural pink blushing color, and I love what it's doing. It is just like so pretty how it just turns to like a natural pink for you, customized just for you. I just love that. And now I'm going to be adding the Tahiti on the left side, on the other side. And you can see like the Tahiti is definitely more intense. At first it gives like a nice subtle vibe, but then it does intensify over time. Like the longer I left both of them on, they got more intense, but the black side seemed to stay a lot more subtle than the pink side, of course. But I love what the pink side is doing as well. It's almost like a pigmented pink gloss, and it's really pretty. Alright, so it's time to wipe it off to see how much it has stained my lips. So as you can see, this is still a quite intense pink lip stain, as if I drank some Kool-Aid and it just stayed. And then let's see if the other one creates a stain as well. That one is not as intense, but I can definitely see a difference in my lips. And there you have it, you guys. 2 color changing lip glosses that came out absolutely lovely. And of course, I have them available for retail and wholesale on my website, veryveelobeauty.com. As always, thanks for letting me share my gift with you. Stay blessed. Bye.